Hi everyone, I am Professor Carrie Jagger and I will be your professor for this course, and I thought I would start out by letting you know a little bit about me and who I am and why I am here. This slide gives you an idea about my educational background. I attended NKU for both my undergraduate bachelor's degree as well as my master's degree. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in biology with an area of concentration in chemistry, as well as my MBA. A little bit about my work experience. So prior to joining Thomas More full-time, I worked in the flavor industry for 14 years. So I was a food scientist that developed products, mainly sweet products in the food group, and these included products such as nutritional bars, ice creams, yogurts, confection, candy, hard candy, pectins, gummies. I loved the job. I traveled all over the United States and internationally for it. But I also at the same time started teaching as an adjunct professor at Thomas More in 2009. And I found that teaching is my passion. So I was an adjunct from 2009 till 2015. And in 2014, I received the part-time Instructor of the Year award. I was very, very honored to receive this. This is a college-wide award, and it is student nominated and faculty chosen. So it was a very much an honor for me in my life to receive that. In 2015, Thomas More offered me a full-time teaching job. So I left the industry and I have been teaching ever since full-time. So I'm going into my third year. I teach both undergraduate and graduate courses in both the TAP program and in the traditional program at Thomas More. I'm also still involved in the flavor industry. I still consult, and that's fun. I really like taking products all the way from ideation to commercialization and staying in contact with people in the industry that I know. A little bit more about me and what I love. I love my family. I was born and raised in Northern Kentucky, and I have lived here my entire life, and I hope to always stay in Northern Kentucky. I am very close to my friends, and usually we can be found going to sporting events. I love the Cincinnati Reds. I've had season tickets for as long as I can remember. I love the University of Kentucky basketball teams, and I really love Thomas More Sports. If you guys are local, you should definitely check it out because they have really great teams in athletics at Thomas More College. And then finally, as I mentioned before, I love to teach. I consider myself a lifelong learner, and I really love helping others learn as well. It is very exciting for me to see my students grow throughout the program, throughout each course that I teach, and to become passionate about learning as well. So that's a little bit about me, and I really look forward to learning about you over the next 6 weeks that we will spend together.